Hey, all you air gunners out there, we got a Christmas present in July. Look at the address. Bet you might know what that is. Been waiting for this for a while. We're gonna unbox it right here for you guys. Been waiting for a while for this thing. Know it's gonna be worth it though. Here it comes. Here's one. Turn it around. Know what that is? Nice box. They really package it well. Certification. Oh boy, there she is. She's a Crosman Custom. 18-inch barrel, steel breech, muzzle brake. Got a scope in here for it. Oh yeah. Can't wait to shoot this one. It's gonna be a goodie. Hope you all. We'll get some videos up when we get it shooting. See the name? The General. I like it. Thanks, Crosman. Got a trigger shoe on it. It's nice. Can't wait, can't wait. Thought you guys would like to see this. I know I've been waiting for it for a while. We'll get back to you when we're shooting to see how she does. Have a good one. Bye.